This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Lillian Rosado. Mount Reiner is a 3,019 square feet, 2-story home offering 5 bedrooms, 4 full baths and a 3-car garage including built-in overhang storage. Upon entering the foyer, you are welcome to an open floor plan. Kitchen overlooks dining area and great room and offers an extensive walk-in pantry and an island breakfast bar. Sliding glass door in great room leads to a screened and covered extended lanai featuring custom wood ceilings, overlooking a fully fenced, expansive prime lake lot. First level includes 1 bedroom and full bathroom. Owner's suite with large custom walk-in closet is located in 2nd floor split plan. 2nd floor is also complete with a roomy loft offering a flexible living space, 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. The laundry room is located upstairs for added convenience. For more information, review the details below or contact Lillian Rosado at 754-422-4511.